Today we're gonna do another video, but it's gonna be different because we're doing makeup. And we're gonna be doing my auntie's makeup. So let's get started. We'll be doing these first.
So they're the brushes.
So we're gonna be using primer.
Not too close. So kind of far back and let it just spritz.
That's all?
Yep.
Foundation is next.
Yep, squeeze it on. Then sponge it on my face.
Done this one?
Yeah. Sponge it on my face.
Guys, you want to see a magic trick?
So,
Guys, want to see a magic trick?
what's up?
Not yet.
So one way also is to go like this. Ready? To go.
I don't want to do that one.
Oh, okay. Do you want to squeeze some on my hand and then dip it in? Hang on, you get it in my hair. Okay. You can use your hands to rub it in if you want.
Oh.
Yeah, you use this. You've already got this here.
Okay.
Alright, alright. I probably should have asked you to wash your hands first.
Now I'm going to use it on my hand because I have it on the side, that side.
Okay. Just a little bit. Oh, careful. Alright, I reckon that's all I need.
Okay.
Do you want to leave it like this or blend it in?
Blend in.
Do you want to use the blender?
Yeah.
Yep, feels like tiny little punches. Do you think that's blended in?
Yeah.
And you ready to get on to the next stage?
Yeah. And that's powder.
Mm-hmm.
So now it's powder. I'm going to do it this way.
Okay.
That was enough.
Yep.
This is.
Just be gentle. Oh, careful, you stinky. Oh, careful, you stinky. Hit me in the face with that.
There you go.
Oh, very nice. Oh, you want to brush my eyelashes?
Yeah.
Alright.
There you go.
What about my eyebrows?
Okay.
Do you want to put some colour on my eyebrows?
Yeah. Eyebrows next.
So you want to use that one for my eyebrows. Just be very gentle, gentle, gentle. Eyebrows?
Dun, 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 dun.
Oh, is it very shimmery?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay, that's all you want to do?
When's next?
Gonna go in the cheekbones.
There we go.
Alright, is that done? You don't want to put any more on?
No, time for this.
Okay.
For eyeshadow. Look at the eyeshadow. There's all sorts of colors you can pick. Which one do you want to pick?
I like purples.
Okay, it's gonna do this one for his eyes.
I could do more.
This one needs more.
Do you want to choose another colour?
Yeah. White looks good. White is...
White. Sparkly white.
There you go. Well done. Time for the lipstick.
Yep, not all the way, just halfway.
Look at this. Beautiful lipstick.
Okay, wait. I don't want you to break it, so I'm just going to roll it down a little bit, okay?
Okay.
That's all you need.
See? You're looking pretty.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, try not to get it on my teeth. What do you think?
Good.
It's good?
Ready for some more eyes. There we go.
Oh, wow, very pretty.
On the next. Wait, what does this go on?
So, some people put it underneath the eye or on top. Just don't poke me. Yeah,
You look kind of scary.
So they usually do it further here or on the eye.
I think that's enough.
Yeah. Do you want to wipe that off or you're going to leave it?
Yeah.
Leave it? Yeah, you like it? So that's some lip gloss.
Nice.
Yeah. Sure.
Now it's lip gloss.
Wait, lip gloss on my...
Big and brown together. There we go.
Wait. Like strawberries and chocolate.
Don't forget.
Do you want to put some
Don't forget also poop.
Oh yeah, you put poop on my mouth, did you?
That's
Oh.
not chocolate. That's
Oh yuck. Ew. Well,
and that's actually great. Actually, that's chocolate and that's strawberry.
oh, okay.
And blush. I mean, I think it's ice cream color.
Okay.
Highlighting next. It's falling. Stop falling.
Alright. Oh wow.
Wait, where does?
You can put
This.
it across here. Yep. Do you want to dip in again? Just be gentle. Yep.
There we go.
Okay. You can also put it down here if you want. Just run it down in the center of my
I'm gonna use
face.
a different color.
Oh, okay. That's more lipstick. Do you want to draw something on my face?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Go ahead.
Let's do something else. Now the other cheek.
Oh.
Now
Ooh.
gotta color it in it.
Okay.
Because it just can't be a skin color. Now what do you want on the top?
What do you want to give me? A flower?
I know what to. How do you draw gems? How do you draw like gems?
Right. You do it your way.
First I could add
Just be
little
gentle.
dots.
Yeah. Ooh.
Good.